Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you your favorite drinks, your favorite food, your favorite recipe. Well, you all know that Chef Ricardo always come with some lovely ideas just to make the gap fill. Anyway, today we have a special recipe, you know what I mean? There's a lot of people seeing, you know what I mean, want to be healthy, want to be natural, want to be fit, want to get ready for summer. You know what I mean? A lot of people say, you know what, this is the way I want to look. So, I got people from all angles right now using my recipe. They said a great recipe. People say, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much. I lose so many weights over the last couple of days. Some people say it works for 5 days. Some people say it works for 6 days. Some people say it works for 10 days. Some people say it works for a month. Well, I have a recipe which I want this one gonna fill every gap. Guys, you wanna be healthy, you wanna get rid of that belly fat, you wanna be natural, you wanna look the way you wanna look. This recipe gonna fill the gap. And I'm telling you, it's a recipe which I do a research and I said to myself, I need to share this recipe with my fans them, and I know they're gonna love this because I have so many other recipes where people have been using and they said the recipe is brilliant. So today we have a specific recipe which I definitely have to share with you. And you know what I mean, if you didn't try anything like this before in your own entire life, especially a lot of ladies, a lot of men out there, we always have, you know what I mean, big stomach and want to get rid of the stomach. This is where I fill the gap. Today's recipe is gonna be a healthy recipe for all of who wanna be healthy, look nice, and get ready for summer, get rid of the belly fat and all these things. Chef Ricardo gonna give you a recipe. This recipe, you can use it every day, Monday to Friday, every day, in your kitchen, at work, anywhere, on the train, on the tube, on the bus, in your car, wherever you are, you can use it. So, guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you. And remember, share the recipe, guys. Some people doesn't know, you know what I mean? And I want to say, detox your body is very good. And this recipe is also come on a detoxing your body. So basically, you will see how I make this recipe, something totally different from every other else recipe I have on my YouTube channel. And this one gonna help millions of people in this world. Thank you so much and enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So basically, as I say, this recipe, guys, is for you, the ladies and men who now want to get rid of belly fat. This is where it's gonna fill the gap, and I'm gonna do it from scratch. All right. So first of all, you need to get a piece of a ginger. So basically, I got a big fat chunk of piece of ginger right here, and all I'm gonna do is simple, is just remove the skin off the ginger like this. You might say, why is moving the skin? The skin is the best part of the ginger, but you can leave the skin on year one where you want to do. Year one is fine. You know what I mean? This is just how I do the research, and the research tell me what to do. Lovely. So right here, basically, as I can see, a nice, lovely chunk, a piece of a ginger, which you need to grate this piece of a ginger. Basically, the best part of the grater to use is this side. Most people use this side or this side. This side, you have to be careful if you're going to use this side. But I normally use this side. All right. Get a big bowl like this one. Empty big bowl. Very good. And all you're going to do is to grate your ginger. And when you grate your ginger, guys, you will see exactly nice one. Lovely. So as you can see, that's the amount I get inside of it. If you want to add more, you can add more. If you want it strong, you can add more ginger. All right. Lovely. So basically, that's exactly the amount which I have inside of my pan right here, as you can see in my bowl. Then what I'm gonna do now is simple. Get my measurement cup for you, that you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this measurement cup. This is a large cup, as you can see, and I'm gonna pour. This is some lukewarm water from the kettle. That's one. And that's two. 2 cups of lukewarm water inside of the kettle, just like this, from the kettle. All right. So what you need to do is make sure you boil a kettle, or if you don't have a kettle, boil it on your stove and make it stay there for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. Basically, I'm gonna put a piece of cinnamon stick. This is cinnamon stick inside of the water like this. So what I'm gonna do is just break it up inside of it because I want to get the flavor from the cinnamon. Nice. So as you can see, exactly. The next thing what I'm gonna do is get some black pepper. Black pepper is really good, but you have to be careful. Men have to be careful using black pepper because black pepper is not good for men. But I'm making a nice, lovely diet drink, and this is good for detoxing your body. So basically what you're gonna see, what I'm gonna do now is put a little bit of pepper inside of the water, roughly half teaspoon of the pepper inside of the water like this. Nice one. And through the water is very hot already. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of honey inside of the water like this because the water is already hot. You don't have to put honey, you can leave it natural. But it's to kill the pepper, all right? Because the pepper gonna be a little bit hot, and especially ginger. So you wanna kill both things. Not to kill them, just to bring a little flavor to the water because it's a detoxing water, so it's really good for you. So basically what you're gonna do is cover this and leave that for roughly one nice good 10 minutes. So if I get my plate and I just cover this and leave that for 10 minutes for it to go and draw. In the meantime, you're doing something else, all right? So enjoy the recipe, guys, and I'm telling you, this is where Chef Ricardo gonna fill the gap, all of those gaps which needed to fill with this healthy drink. Nice and lovely. So basically, roughly about 15 minutes now, I have it like this. So let's take a look now and see what's going on inside of the water right here. That's beautiful and nice. Ah, you can smell it. Really nice. So basically what you need to do now is get another container and strain it. All right. So as you can see, we strain it right there. Nice and lovely. So what I want to simply say to you, if you have another container, well, basically I'm just gonna use my smoothie blender one, which is this one, all right? Because I want to explain everything to you how it works. Because, you know what I mean, as I say, this is something which I did before and I'm telling you is really good. So what you're gonna do is to pour it straight inside of this other container like this one. So you're gonna be a little bit too much, pour back a little bit. Just 1 second again, guys, just to make sure I understand exactly what I'm talking about right here. Nice. So what I was looking for is the other cover for this one. So what you do, you just cover it like this and simple bring it to work with you. You understand what I mean, guys? Just like that. All right? And then you can just simple drink it from here, sir. But let's not go into that bits now. All right? What I want to do to show you, this one what I'm doing now, you do not put this in your fridge. You want it to get it at a room temperature. So what you're going to do, leave it on your surface, on your working counter, in your kitchen for overnight. In the morning, what you do, you take it to work, or the first thing you need to do is to drink a nice, lovely portion from it. So what I'm going to do is to slice a few pieces of a cucumber, put straight inside of the water like this. And then we're gonna get a lemon. I'm gonna use 1 whole lemon inside of the water. It's a medium-sized lemon. Nice one. As you can see, so I got a little bit more spaces, so I'm gonna just pop the rest in it like this. Lovely. Cover it. And what you can do is just bring this to work, or if you don't want to bring it to work, what you can do is simple. Drink it in the morning, the first thing, before you eat anything. That's the way all this one work. You can't eat something and then you drink it next. It's not gonna work, guys, honestly. You have to have it in the morning, the first thing for your breakfast, before your breakfast or before you do anything in the morning. Now I'm telling you, this one, a lot of people keep asking, can I give kids? Well, there's black pepper in this and there's ginger in this one. A very strong one, this one. If you want to give kids the other one, I'm going to make the kids one. So look out for that video, which is going to be totally different from all of these one. So basically, as you can see, guys, I can put more cucumber inside of it. Let's put more cucumber because there's a lot more room inside of it. So I could put some more slices of cucumber inside of it, just like that. As you can see, there's more room, and that's simple cover it. And so as I said, this is the way how it works. All you need to do, leave it right here until the next morning. When you wake up in the morning, before you touch your phone, before you wash your face, before you do anything, before you brush your teeth, come downstairs or go in your kitchen and drink a nice glass of this. If you can do this for 5 mornings straight, and I want to say, when you're going to eat your breakfast in the morning, for a person who want to lose weight, it's good to eat a red apple, drink this, and eat some almond. Almond is really good for person who want to lose belly, flat belly. Who want to get flat belly, I want to get rid of the belly, the stomach. This is really good, red apple and almond. So you can give that a try also. But the way how this works, yeah, when you wake up in the morning and you come downstairs to drink a nice, lovely glass of it, wow, this will work very well for you guys. And it also detox your body. So hopefully this will be a benefit to you. And hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. As you can see, this one will kill everything. All right, so guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Any question, please write it below the description of the video and ask. And as I say, you can drink this for 1 month straight, and I'm telling you, or 5 days straight. Every morning you will see a different inside of your system. As I can say, this flush your system, this renew your system, and make you look like the person who you want to look. How to get rid of your belly fat with this one right here. Look at it, lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.